Hey everyone, hope you are having a fantastic day. Sorry for not posting a video last week, was busy with school. But don't worry, I'm back. So today, I want to give you an update on Bitcoin's chart and what altcoins I'm looking to get into. I wanted to put my NFT strategy in this video, but it's probably going to be lengthy. So I'm going to make another video. It'll be released on Friday, 8:45 AM Eastern, and I'll tell you guys my NFT flipping strategy that almost guarantees profits. Stay tuned. And as always, I respect your time. So if you're just here for the bottom line, I'll give you the main point of the video right away. And which is, as long as Bitcoin remains above the 21 and 32 weekly EMA, I'm scaling into low cap gaming or layer 1 ecosystem altcoins like Moonriver, AVAX, Solana. So if you want to know about the full analysis, you're welcome to stay throughout and leave a like and comment while you're at it. So, looking at Bitcoin's chart, Bitcoin managed to stay above the 21 weekly EMA and held at support, which is a very bullish sign. As long as it does not close below the weekly 21 EMA, and I mean the weekly candles, I will continue to invest hard, mainly on gaming as well as layer 1 ecosystem altcoins. 2-3 weeks ago, I called the Bitcoin drop down to the 42k levels from the 50s. As shown here, and you see Bitcoin almost followed the yellow line that I've drawn about 3 weeks ago. Almost. So, if you haven't, subscribe and hit the notification bell. When I see something juicy on the charts, I'll be sure to tell you guys and give you guys early warnings. Anyway, what we need to see next in the coming days and weeks is for Bitcoin to continue holding support above the 40k levels, and the main thing we need to see on the chart is for it to break the previous highs of 53k to confirm Bitcoin will go bullish and go higher. If, and it's a major if, price is unable to break 53k levels within the next few weeks, do protect yourself from the downside by minimizing your position in altcoins and take more profit. I need to emphasize this. Always take profits when you are in the green. It could come back down to the low 40k regions. And when this happens, altcoins might take a 30 to 40% drop. Not saying it will happen, but just letting you guys know what to do when this plays out. But there is a higher probability that Bitcoin breaks the previous highs. Just my opinion. But who knows? Only time will tell. All we can do is prepare for both scenarios, and we are good. Alright, this segment I'll cover what altcoins I'm looking to buy and the buy zones I want to get in at. Remember, this all only applies if Bitcoin continues to stay above the 21 and 32 weekly EMA. Because like I said, in many times, altcoins will follow its king, Bitcoin. So everything links to Bitcoin. Take note. Looking at the layer 1 ecosystems, I'm mainly looking at AVAX, Moonriver, the DOT ecosystem, and also Sol ecosystem. The reason why I'm looking at AVAX is because it raised a huge amount of money, 230 million to be exact, from private sales of AVAX tokens. These are investments made from many big name investor groups. And it has been already stated that Aave and Curve is already heading to AVAX. And so with a huge money market coming to AVAX, it will definitely do well. And so I'm looking into the ecosystem heavily. Remember, in a previous video, I mentioned if you want more gains, you have to look at the DEXs, the oracles, the launchpads of the ecosystem. So I'm eyeing one of the DEXs called Joe, Trader Joe. It's already up a decent amount, so if it goes back down to the 250, the 240, 250 regions, I'll be grabbing a bag. Another one I'm looking at is Ava Launch. It is the Avalanche Launchpad. It's already up a significant amount. So if it comes back down to the $3 to $4 regions, it's definitely buy time. Moving on to Moon River. This is a layer 1 that actually won a parachain on the Kusama, and it has been going crazy since it launched. It has cooled off the last few days and has entered a pretty good buying zone between 375 to 400, and I will be probably getting a bag today. It's a brand new layer 1 and it's only out a few weeks and about 600 million market cap. So know that it's risky, but because it has a way lower market cap than most other popular layer 1s, there is a lot of upside. So I'm willing to take this risk. But please guys, do your own research. Regarding the DEX, I may take a look at Moonswap, but it isn't that established yet. So please do some research before aping in. The next ecosystem I'm going to be talking about is DOT. Mainly because it has not broken its previous all-time highs at around the $50 regions. It's only a matter of time. So, looking at the ecosystem, I'm looking out for Polkadex. Let's see, where is Polkadex? Alright, Polkadex. Why am I looking at Polkadex? It's because it's one of the DEXs on the Polkadot ecosystem. And I would say $15 to the $20 region is a very good buying zone to get in. And I think it was released that they will be going to mainnet on the 29th of September. So yeah, do what you need to do. Polka Bridge. This is another one I'm looking at. It's a cross-chain bridge which has gone pretty mental the past week. And I'm glad it is cooled down, so I could start to buy up. And I would say 40 cents to the 45 cent region is a nice area to get to. So lastly, what I want to talk about is Solana ecosystem. Well, Sol has gotten way too mental the past month, so I'll probably not look into getting into the ecosystem now, but it could definitely go higher. But I'm just not comfortable investing in something that has already blown up. But if you want, you can look into Radium or Serum, the DEXs, which will be doing pretty well if Solana continues to gain traction and move up again. Moving on to gaming coins. I'm now looking at gaming coins that are on the Polygon and BTC chain. The gas fees on Ethereum is frustrating sometimes, and I'm sure you guys are so done with the gas fees as well. So do check these coins out. The first coin I'm going to talk about is Cryptomeda, TECH. It is an online strategy game with an augmented reality twist. This is a pretty dope feature, and you can do PvP, collect NFTs, and it will be on mobile. The characters look awesome, and it's also play to earn too. Currently, the price is super juicy and undervalued. Well, they had problems at launch, where some of the private investors were able to sell a huge chunk of their vested tokens, leading to a dump to almost the listing price. Not really shown here, but yeah, it was almost to the listing price. And to be frank with you guys, I actually bought in almost to the top at around 15 cents initially, before the huge dump by the private investors. But nothing changed about the team and game, and so I bought in again at around 5 cents. Right now the price is super good to get into, and because the market cap is super low. This is not financial advice, but this is going to shock many people, so get in before it flies up. The next project or game coin I want to share with you guys is Forgotten Chain. I mentioned this project a month back, and they are finally going to release the coin this coming week. I'll be participating in the ICO, so whoever got in, congratulations. Those who are waiting on the sidelines, I repeat, don't buy on listing, because most ICOs pump and then quickly dump. So wait for the dump and then enter. It is an MMORPG game similar to World of Warcraft, RuneScape, and you can fight monsters, you can go to shops and interact, have pets, and even buy land and earn. Awesome stuff. I'll show you guys the teaser that's already been published on YouTube by Forgotten Chain themselves. But I won't be turning on the volume. I don't want to, get copyrighted or anything. So let's start watching it together. One more coin I'm looking at is Snook. It already has a working game similar to Slither.io, so I don't want to just show the gameplay because it's almost similar to that. This also incorporates NFTs of snakes, where you can get one for super cheap and then you can play the game. It is cheap because once you die in the game, your NFT will be burnt, so basically unusable anymore. It is a play-to-earn game, and a lot of people have been already grinding because you can earn Snook tokens. This game is also underrated at these prices. And if I'm not wrong, the market cap is about only 3 to 5 million. This is a working game and people are already playing with it. So it's a no-brainer to invest in these prices. But remember, this is not financial advice. Remember to do your own research. But if I were you, I would probably get in around these buy prices, around the 150 to 160 regions. So guys, that's it from me. Remember, do stay tuned to my next video for my NFT flipping tutorials. I'll mainly post a video on Monday, 8:45 AM Eastern, and sometimes Friday, same time as well. And if you like this video, please hit the like button if you haven't already. If you want early calls on coins and more tips, click on the notification button. If you want to earn interest on your crypto, you can use Blockfi and receive up to $250. Link is in the description below. And as always, invest safe and smart. The markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.